So guys, this is how the second one looks like. Can you see that? Yeah, looks so good. And I tasted it already, guys. This is the end result. Guys, look at that. Can you see how bomb this looks? Yeah, this looks so bomb and it tastes so good. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making the Vira Milky Donuts. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it step by step. Super easy, super delicious. Come with me as we do it. So first of all, you're gonna start off by washing your hands. I'm gonna be using the instant yeast, a quick one. I think it's always preferable to use the fresh one because it makes your flour rise fast. I'm gonna use I'm using some warm water, not too warm. I'm gonna pour my yeast inside. So because I have just one pack of this, I'll be using part of this instant yeast. Pouring my sugar inside my yeast, and I'll make sure I whisk everything to perfection. You have to whisk this very well, guys. Keep this on the side for 7 minutes. When it's 7 minutes, I'll show you guys how it looks like. So now let's mix our flour. I'll go ahead and put in my flour. Put in a pinch of salt. Put in 1 scoop of vanilla extra. This is optional. I just love to do it. You don't have to do it, but I love to do it. So I'm gonna be doing 2 scoops of vanilla extra. And this is the magic, guys. This is my dry milk. I'm gonna put it in here. Make sure I mix everything while I wait for my yeast to rise. You have to mix this very well, guys. Very, very well. I feel like everything is uniformly made now. You can identify the milk from the flour. I'm using all-purpose flour, guys. Now let's break our eggs. I'm gonna be using 3 eggs. You can use 2, but I just want mine to be extra fluffy and good. That's how the yeast looks like. You have to be able to see these bubbles, like the little bubbles that you see inside. This is just to confirm that everything is good. Look at these little bubbles. Yeah, this is just to confirm. I'll pour in my eggs. Make sure I whisk. You You can use a bigger bowl. I'm gonna pour everything inside. Now I'll mix. You can use your hands. I'll obviously use my hands, but I just want to do this first. If you have a machine, that's good. If you don't have, you can do it with your hands, and it's gonna come out perfectly. This does not need to be too hard, guys. It has to be soft. Not too soft, but yeah. This is exactly how it's supposed to look like. A little bit harder, not too soft, not too hard. Okay, guys, you have to mix this for like, I could say 10 minutes because it has to be perfect. Like, you really have to make sure this is perfectly mixed. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the side. Okay, guys, let's do it African way. This is how we used to do it back home when there was no machine. Guys, you have to mix this very well. This is very important. It does not need to be too hard. I want it soft. I'm gonna put in some butter inside. I'm gonna spread this in the middle. Mix everything inside. You have to mix very well, guys. You can't put emphasis on how well you have to do this. So my unsalted butter is inside. I'm just trying to make sure that everything gets into it. My dough is now I'm going to put it in the bowl. I'm going to close this for 45 minutes, put it on the side. You can keep it for an hour, but I'm going to keep cooking it for 45 minutes because I want the kids to come back and eat this. So yeah, so see you guys in 45 minutes. Make sure you put it in a very warm place, guys, because you want it to rise well. So mine is safe. Now I'm just gonna clean my stuff. Hey guys, it's been 45 minutes and woo, this is how our baby looks like. I'm gonna wash my hands. Can you see that? So this has been perfectly clean. I'm gonna spread a little bit of flour on it. And yes, you have to make sure all the bubbles are no longer there. Perfecto. Get my sheet. Now let's do this. Nothing, Papa. I'm gonna close this. So I'm gonna put this on the side. So guys, it's been 45 minutes. This is how our donut looks like. It has increased in size. I also forget to mention that you need to make sure that you press the dough once you're putting on the bowl. So we have our oil here. Guys, this is the most important part. You have to make sure that the oil is not too hot and not too cold. Just because you don't want it to get burned, you have to put it on a very low heat. I'm gonna grab one of the donuts now. So this is it. So the reason why you're cooking this on a very low heat is because you want everything to get ready inside. So I'm gonna do this 3 to 4 minutes on both sides, and I don't want it to get burned. So I want like the brownish color to pop up. Make sure I swap it. I'm gonna do the same thing. Get this one. This is ready. How to know it's ready? You just have to dip this into the dough, take it out. If you don't see any stickiness, then you can tell that it's ready. So I'm going to take this out. It's been there for 6 minutes, 3 minutes on both sides, and I'll put in the next one. I'm going to take this out now. to put in the milk and the sugar on it to give it that extra taste on it. This is super easy to make, guys, and super delicious as well. So come with me as we do it. Okay guys, so now we're gonna take the last one. Look at that. Now, let me show you guys how to make the milky stuff. First of all, you go ahead and pour in your milk. I'm gonna be using my icing sugar as well. I'm gonna pour everything inside and I'll mix it together. Make sure you mix very well, guys. Like really mix as well. Go ahead, put your dough inside. Put this other side. Guys, when I tell you this is everything, believe me. Like, you need to give this a try. I'm gonna put this here. Taking the next one. Good. Just gonna do the same thing over and over. It is called Milky Donut for a reason, guys. Make sure the milk is there. I'm gonna put in the next one, onion. This is how it looks like. It looks so bomb, super delicious, very fluffy, very easy to make. Guys, please, you should try this at home. You will love it. It is called the Milky Donut. Okay guys, this is the moment of truth. I'm just gonna wash my hands, grab one of it. Ooh-wee. Guys, oh my god. Guys, you need to make this for your family. Oh my god. Super delicious, guys. You need to try this out. My kids will love it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Cheese.